Let's imagine a scenario where multiple people work together and coordinate each other to build a product. In that team, we have backend engineer who basically do the architecture and do finalize the requirements, a backend developer who creates the APIs and functionality designed by the engineering lead, a front-end developer who integrate the API in front-end so that user can use it without any hassles. Finally, a test engineer write the test cases for the functionality written by the backend developer. For human to perform these tasks takes days and weeks, but what if AI will do all this process in a minute? So I build an application which can automate this process and tasks and complete all the process in some minutes. So this is the home screen. We see the list of applications which I created, and when we navigate to particular project, we will see all the files generated by the agent. Also, you can copy, download and download the zip. So go to the home screen. Also, you can filter by the name. So create a new project. So today we will create a weather application because I already created one application with this name, and when we run the application, a process will start. So there are 4 agents: engineering lead, backend developer, front-end developer and test engineer. So engineering lead who will use one LLM and write the whole architecture and decide what we are going to implement and how we are going to implement. And this the result goes to the backend developer who read the file generated by the engineering lead, write the code, run the code in the Docker environment and validate it, and finally write the response in a file. Similarly, then the response goes to the front-end developer who write the front-end implementation of the backend developer also, and it run the code and validate the code in the Docker environment. After that, the test engineer works begins and he write the test cases to validate the backend developer functionality. So let's see what it will generate, and it will take some time, and we will meet after some time to see what is generated. So the task execution completed and we get the project. So let's see what happens. So first of all, engineering lead decide what to do and write this in one file. Then we have the backend developer who writes the complete functionality, different functions, and also it add the validation also. So yeah, so as you can see, it is a very good code. This is the f.py. Basically it is a Gradio application, and we can easily run this application in Python environment. And we have a test.py. So to test how the application, what is the application, we can download the zip and run the application. So let's go to the home screen, and you can see this project is listed down. If we want to delete this project, we can delete it, and the whole files and the project information will be gone from the server.